Hi everyone. One of my favorite features about the Canvas Gradebook is the ability to move the total grade column all the way up to the front. So a lot of times when we are comparing our gradebooks between Canvas and Skyward, we're looking over here at our list of student names and needing to know their total score. But have you ever found yourself scrolling all the way to the end, especially towards the end of the semester, to get to your final total column? All you need to do is go up to the total column kebab button and select Move to the Front. It will automatically jump that column back to the front so that you can see the score immediately next to the student names. You don't have to do that every time. You just have to do it once a semester. So set it up when you first start your gradebook, and then you'll save yourself from having to scroll to see what their total grade is. So again, under the kebab button, it is the Move to the Front option. And once it's in the front, you can kick it back to the end as well. But I think it makes for a really good home right up front next to the student names.